The inspiration for the project came from a lot of Japanese architecture. I know that the owners love Japan themselves, and I travelled a lot throughout Japan. And it's a form that is quite monolithic and strong from the exterior, but you're able to carve internally to allow for natural light to come through. I'm Carla Middleton. I'm the director and architect for Carla Middleton Architecture. It is obviously a rear extension. It's of its own form and type that is separate to the existing heritage features. So creating a clear delineation between the old and the new is a really important part we need to be of now. We need to understand how families live in today's age whilst also respecting the past. The brief for the property was a family home, a highly functional, affordable home that thought about design and architecture, natural light, privacy. The front of the house is set down from the street level, and then there's a significant level change towards the rear. Along the length, which is north facing, if we can try and pitch up to try and draw in that natural light and bring the natural light in without a sense of overlooking and privacy impacts from the neighbours. So that we use skylights for that, and we kept quite a monolithic solid rear extension, which feels quite solid externally, but when you come internally, it's a very light-filled home which has a beautiful connection to the indoors and outdoors. And then there was also the consideration of the beautiful jacaranda tree at the rear and how we could frame that with this bay window at the back. So the material choices for the property is a use of recycled bricks on the exterior facade with a crisp white interiors. The rough exterior of the recycled bricks was an aesthetic that one part of the couple really had a liking to, and then the crisp white interiors was the interior. So I kind of see the exteriors and the interiors as a really lovely portrait of the owners that have built this house. And so there was obviously a balance and a play between the two and how we make both work together. The specific details of this rear kitchen, living, dining space were really well thought out in terms of usability and functionality for a young family. So obviously natural light plays a large role, where we place the kitchen in relation to the dining room. The project was built just before COVID hit, and so during COVID I would get lots of text messages from the family just loving life and the experience of this internal space when they were in lockdown, and has a really calming effect that allows for people to feel the warmth of the natural light and just relax whilst having lots of storage and being able to put things away and function and relax in the space.